Hello friends. Recently in the month of April 2020, the Rajasthan AR in the case of Claycraft India decided that any payment to directors is subject to GST. This has created a confusion among all the taxpayers that all payments means salaries payment to directors. Generally, there are two kinds of directors. One we called executive director who draw salary, and another is called independent directors who takes sitting fees and other professional services. We pay GST only on payment made to independent directors and not on the salaries paid to executive directors. But the way Rajasthan AR ruling drafted, it looks like that all the payments, including salary, is subject to GST, and accordingly the department had started issuing focus notices to number of taxpayers to explain why they are not paying GST on the salaries. If the taxpayer started paying GST on salaries, the confusion was that what will happen to the past 3 years, how to deal with that. So all these challenges are there, and in this regard today on the 10th of June, the CBSE has announced this circular that any payment to directors which is subject to TDS under section 194J is only subject to GST, and the payment made to directors which is subject to TDS under section 192B cannot be subject to GST. So this is a very welcome move by the CBSE. This will remove the confusion from the taxpayer and reduce the litigation. Thank you.